welcome back to my vegan kitchen. How many people, cats included, love Chinese takeaway food? Raise your hand.
Woo!
Love it. It's so expensive though, and it's so oily. We're gonna make a healthier version at home that's just as good or better. So we're gonna need one specialty ingredient though. We're going to need some vegan spring roll shells. Now these aren't like especially vegan or anything. They're accidentally vegan. I got them at the freezer section of my local grocery store. I didn't even have to go to an Asian market, but depending on where you live, you might have to go to a specialty store to get these, but they are so worth it and they're so easy to work with, you won't even believe it. Alright, so these have been thawed out. They come frozen. You're also going to need some either Cole Slaw mix or rainbow salad or broccoli slaw. All will work amazingly. Last time I made this, I used rainbow salad. Today I'm going to be using Cole Slaw mix. So first things first, we're going to have a bowl over here. We're going to mix up our sauce. So we're going to use some garlic powder. It's going to give it that beautiful garlicky flavor that you love so much about Asian food.
Or any food.
Or any food, yeah. We're going to use peanut butter, because these are kind of Thai style, you know, like a pad Thai-ish kind of thing. And of course, I picked the peanut butter jar that hardly had any peanut butter in it, so let me grab another peanut butter jar. Alright, so we got enough peanut butter now. I love peanut butter in this. I think it adds another dimension of flavor. So we've got our peanut butter in here. We're also going to be using some sesame oil. Is this toasted? Yes, from toasted sesame seeds. This is so good for you. And it adds a lot of flavor. And we're going to be using some low sodium soy sauce. You can also use liquid aminos because that is a soy sauce alternative. And it's lower in sodium. I measured it exactly in my mind. But in case you were wondering, the exact measurements, I know, will be in the bottom box, the info box.
Give me some spring rolls, beesh!
Alright, so we're just going to get this mixed up. That smells so good already. Alright. We're only going to use half of this today, so that means we have another half for next time. Or you could just throw it in your salads or whatever. If you couldn't tell already, the measurements don't have to be exact, so. They sell these in a single too. This is a double. The thing that I like about these is that I'm going to make them Americanized, so bigger portions. You know when you go to the Chinese takeaway and you get an order of spring rolls and they're like 4 fingers and you're like, done. I want something a little more substantial.
It's more like an egg roll size.
Yeah, these are going to be more of an egg roll size, so I like that. So I'm just going to fold in the sauce, bring it up from the bottom. You know the drill. Everything is pretty well coated, so I guess we're ready to roll. So I used half the package the last time when we had our Lunar New Year celebration, so I'm going to use the other half today. You get 25 wrappers in here, so that's a pretty good amount. When you get an order at the Chinese takeaway, you only get 4 per order, so that's kind of... No, actually you get 2 per order. That's a real downer. I like a lot. These are really easy to work with. You just have to be gentle. Peel them off carefully. I'm just going to work on this and move this over. I'm going to take a generous amount.
Whoa.
Right? Then you're going to push back so that it gets compacted. Roll halfway, fold over, and complete the roll. And put the tip of the triangle down so that it holds its shape. So I'm just going to roll up as many as these will make, and I'll check back. Alright, that made 12 ugly American-sized spring rolls.
They're beautiful.
I know, but I mean, because we like larger portions here. Lay off me, I'm starving.
Yeah.
I have one left over that I'm going to share with the garbage because it didn't make the cut.
Oh.
Because it dried out a little bit. So, these can take some abuse, but this one is dried out a little bit. Now is the secret. I'm going to take some avocado oil spray because this is great for higher heat. We're going to bake these. We're not going to fry them. So I'm just going to coat the outside. And I'm going to pop these in the oven at 375 for half an hour total. 15 minutes into it, I'm going to open the oven door, reach in and flip them over 180 degrees and put them back in for the final 15 minutes. See you in 15 minutes. Whoa, that's General Tso's entire army of spring rolls deployed. We just looked at a menu and it is $2.95 for 2 tiny veg spring rolls.
And that's in not a big city.
Right.
Keep that in mind.
Right. And we've just made 12 for less than the price of one order of 2.
That's crazy.
And they're not fried.
They're not fried, so let's take a taste.
Hold for the crunch.
Okay, ready? Is this going to be hot inside?
A little.
Why do you hate me? All right. Mmm. Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
That peanut butter taste, so good.
It's everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it giving you life?
It is.
All right, guys.
I'm just going to finish this.
Okay. You saw how incredibly easy that was. I really hope you try this. This could be a showstopper. This is a nice party food.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice appetizer to a bigger meal. It's a nice lunch.
The outside is so flaky.
Right? Oh yeah, crunch it up, baby.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just so impressed with the way those spring roll wrappers perform not being fried. I think and the avocado oil is healthy in that it's not going to break down at a higher temperature. So give it a try. Thumbs up if you like this recipe. Subscribe for more. And until next time, much love.